Welcome to Sichuan Shen and Hui Technology Company Limited, a leading supplier of orthopedic implants and instruments. With advanced manufacturing facilities and a focus on quality, we provide innovative medical solutions to meet the needs of healthcare professionals worldwide. Our tibial posterior column platform locking plates are precision-engineered using superior-grade titanium, designed to address orthopedic surgical needs. These plates ensure durability, stability, and optimal performance during tibial fracture fixation. The plates are available in 3 variations to suit different surgical requirements. Each model is precisely crafted to offer exceptional anatomical fit and fixation. The tibial posterior column platform locking plates offer several key features. Anatomical design: the plate conforms closely to tibial anatomy, minimizing soft tissue irritation. Limited contact design: this design preserves blood supply to soft tissue and bone, facilitating faster fracture healing. Articular multiholes provides flexibility in fixation options, ensuring stable surgical outcomes. Combination locking and compression holes enables angular stability or compression as per surgical requirements. Crafted from high-quality titanium, our locking plates are lightweight, durable, and corrosion-resistant. Certified by CE, they meet stringent international standards for safety and performance. Suitable for various orthopedic surgeries, our plates are designed for reliability and ease of use. We offer comprehensive support, including a 2-year warranty, return and replacement services, and customizable sizes and colors to meet diverse needs. At Sichuan Shen and Hui, we provide OEM/ODM services, wholesale options, and regional agency support. Our flexible payment options, including TT and PayPal, combined with fast and reliable transportation via FedEx, DHL, TNT, and EMS, make global collaboration seamless. Choose Sichuan Shen and Hui as your trusted partner for orthopedic implants. Our commitment to quality, innovation, and customer satisfaction ensures we exceed your expectations every time. Contact us today to learn more about our advanced orthopedic solutions. Sichuan Shen and Hui Technology, your partner in medical innovation and excellence.